So let's go inside a professional turbo nozzle that's no longer spinning and see what's happening. We already took this cover off. Then you're left with the actual housing. Put a wrench on here and on here and just break it loose. You can unscrew it. This piece comes out with no problem. As you can see, it has a thrush washer on there, stainless. Okay, it has two nozzles on the side, an O-ring, and it has this housing, which the water actually pushes out and then turns these little turbines that spins this inside the housing. So in essence, it's working like, it's kind of hard to see if I can get it to work here. It's spinning around like this and turning that actual piece right there with the ceramic on it, and those washers are riding on the internal of this housing in here. There's another piece down in there. Okay, so you can rebuild these. The kit is about I think 25 bucks, 28 bucks, pretty much anywhere, and it's that easy. You just take this piece out, tap it out, put it back in, put this piece obviously in the right spot. So you're going to have the thrush washer. It's going to go like this, sitting there. It just sits right in there. This washer is very easy to figure out what end goes in where. And the shiny side is going to go to this area here. There's a matte finished, and then there's a shiny side. So the matte goes against this. The shiny goes against that. And that's how that spins around like that. All right. So it's that simple to fix. Let's reassemble it and snug it up, and you're good to go. But forgot to show you real quick, the porcelain tip here is disintegrated and kind of chipped, so it's not riding like it should. So that's why it's actually freezing up and staying in a spot. There's also, I forgot to tell you also about the water, how it gets through here. Basically, there's a four-way diffractor in here that sends the water and causes a little bit of turbulence in there, and then causes the spray pattern to be more efficient when it comes out this nozzle. So very simple. Hope that helps you out. Have a good one.